So I'm going to do a quick unboxing vid on a new knife that I purchased today. These are $60 at Canadian Tire. It's a Smith and Wesson. I can't even say it correctly for some reason tonight, but probably because I've been having seizures the last little while in my sleep, like pretty bad ones, not just like small ones. But yeah, whatever. I felt like I was gonna have one yesterday too. At least not even one. Like I felt like it for most of the day. But I'm not gonna get into all that. So let's get into the unboxing of the knife. So this is a knife, brand new, just bought it, $60 at Canadian Tire in Newmarket, although it's same online. Here's the box. It says causes reproductive harm, so I'm sure it has some type of lead in it, just like, I don't know, whatever, who really cares? So truthfully, I'll lick the blade. If you're worried about life when you're 60, you need to worry about life when you're living in your young age. I'm not saying it sucks, but yeah, I don't know, whatever. I got better stuff to worry about. So here's the knife, comes in this. You got, literally that's all, a little warning in the box. I really don't care enough to read all the stuff on it. Doesn't really tell you any information anyways. I'll put a link to the actual whatever, a link to the knife on Canadian Tire in the description of this video. But so here's the knife. I already have one of these. It's let's just say don't give things to your mother because she will not give them back to you. And then, like, look how dumb it looks. Now I go and buy another $60 knife because you don't want to give me one back. That is mine. She has other ones too, but I'm not even going to talk about all that. It's just dumb. So I'm 33, Mom. I love you, but I'm 33. So this is a knife. It's a Tanto blade. It is, I believe, 6 inches long. Or the blade's like 4. I don't know. I really don't care enough to even. I think it's like whatever. Yeah. If you really want to look at more information on this, go into the description and go on the actual website, because what you're going to receive is just, there is a sharpening stone in here. So it comes with a sharpening stone. I've had this before. Has Smith and Wesson on the back of it. Yeah, this is the knife. That's the model. Can't really get the small, what is it? So it says 1123, whatever that means. I'm sure maybe the number you can search on their website or something, but blade, not so sharp. You can carry this in public, but it does have to be displayed. You cannot have this blade hidden on you. You cannot have it concealed. You need to have this blade showing if you were to walk around with this. Businesses could potentially stop you from walking inside if you're carrying one. Because really, at the end of the day, a business makes its own choices. Yeah, I don't know. That's about it. That's really all I wanted to show. That's the unboxing. That's the sheath for it. There's a button on the back. I'm just not in a good mood, guys. I'm really sorry. There's some other stuff, so you can actually remove the actual sharpening stone if you want to. And now it's just the sheath. And there is a plastic piece that the blade will slide into inside of the sheath. It has a Velcro belt strap, so you can either put it, like, loop it around your belt, or just remove the Velcro and put it on that way. You're funny, Loki. Loki's over there making faces. Yeah, I don't know. That's really all. Let's do the paper test. Sorry, guys, I got a lot of stuff on my mind, but whatever. Yeah, no, truthfully, it's decent, but definitely needs to be sharpened. I highly doubt it's going to slice this paper. It's definitely not. Oh, wow. I'm actually surprised. It cut it. So, yeah, blade's decent. That tip, oh no, it's a pretty sharp tip, so I don't know what was going on there. Yeah, okay, that's about all I wanted to show. I hope everybody has a good night, and keep smiling, even though it's hard some days.